Hi trolls, SC Dark here. So in today's video we're gonna do unboxing and review of the nasal aspirators for babies, for cleaning babies' noses, or if you are an adult you can use it for blackhead removals. So the box is sealed. Let's open it up and see what you can get. So I bought it from AliExpress, and it isn't cheap. It's about, I don't know, $25. So this is multifunctional baby electric nasal aspirator. So the box looks good. It has no damage. So the model is X8, 5 volts, 3.7 volts working voltage, rated power 2.2 watts. Battery is 500 milliamp hours. So let's open it up. Whoa, sorry about that. So the box is very nice. How are we gonna open it? So like this. And let's see what we have in the box. So in the box we have user's manual, English and German. That's nice. So you have to read the manual to know how to use it. Let's see what we else have. So we have USB cable for charging. Here we have some tweezers, or how they called. So here we have some rubber seals. So here we have all the accessories. So you have lots of different accessories to go with this. So this is nasal aspirator. It's very nice, it's very light, and the build quality it is very good. So let's see how it works already. So if you're gonna use it, you can use it like this. So you have all the other accessories that you can put on. Very nice. So let's see. You push the button. Let's see how it works. Oh, how it doesn't work. Wait a minute. So to power it on, you just simply push the button one time. So as you can see, this is first speed, then you have the second one, and you have the third on the maximum speed. So here you can see how many minutes or seconds has passed that it works, and in the here you can see the battery how many battery is left. So to turn it off, just press it once. So now I'm gonna try to do some testing. I'm gonna try to lift this balloon. So this balloon weighs, let's see how weight. 5-6 grams. See here, 6 gram weight. So let's see if this can lift this. So stay tuned. So I'm back. I put a silicone tip here. Let's try with first speed if it can lift this up. So we have, as you can see, first speed, so 7 grams. So it's difficult, it cannot. Let's try with second speed. Yeah, it cannot, and let's try with maximum speed. So it is hard to lift because this is for babies, and looks, it works for 1 minute and then it shuts off. If you put a tip without tip, try, then it can lift it with no big deal. So this is very powerful in first, and if you try in third, then it works. So works very well. I'm gonna show you in a second with a vacuum cleaner extension for cleaning baby noses to see if that could raise this. So stay tuned. So here I am with a vacuum cleaner extension for cleaning baby's noses. So let's fire it up and see if this can lift. So it cannot lift. It cannot lift. So you can see how powerful this little gadget is. So it's very powerful with all these tips. You have different type of tips. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and wait for my next video. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.